Wilderness Challenge's 3-day Rock Art Rainforest and Cooktown safari visits some of Australia's most magnificent sites. We leave Cairns or Port Douglas and head north into the World Heritage listed Wet Tropics rainforest. Walk through the rainforest with your expert guide to learn some of the secrets of this ecosystem. Next, we'll visit the Australian Rainforest Foundation and learn about their conservation work in this incredible ecosystem. We'll plant a tree or two to help with the conservation effort. The rugged 4-wheel drive bloom-filled track takes us to Jowalbinna. There we'll meet the Walker Sisters, inspiring Aboriginal women who'll take us on a walk to their sacred waterfall.
I said it's nice to see you come have a look at country up this way in Woodrow.
Into Cooktown, and we'll find out about the amazing exploits of James Cook's voyage in 1770 and the rollicking gold rush 100 years later that established the town. On day 2, we'll head west, away from the coast, into Quinkan country, land of the spirit figures of Aboriginal legend. Stay at Jowalbinna Rock Art Safari Camp, a very comfortable and welcoming environment. You'll enjoy the cabins, the wallabies and the prolific bird life that you'll find here. We'll go on a fabulous rock art walk. This area is rated by UNESCO as one of the world's top 10 rock art regions, and it's easy to see why. Over half the figures in the Quinkan rock art are human or human spirit figures of one kind or another. So everywhere we go, we have different things to examine and to speculate about how these people lived and how they related to the land around them. On day 3, we'll leave Jowalbinna and head back through the outback, visiting the Quinkan Regional Cultural Centre en route and learning more about the people of this harsh frontier. We'll head home to the coast, back to Port Douglas or Cairns, to end what's a truly fantastic Australian safari in just 3 days.